Today we'll be administering the Peabody Picture Vocabulary Test 5th edition. Parent had concern of child's receptive language, and the child is 5 years, 2 months old. We will be starting in the 5-year category on Form A. Look at the pictures on this page. Put your finger on the picture that shows laughing. Good. Put your finger on sleeping. Good. Now we'll do some more. You can point to the picture or say the number. Point to the fire. Good. Point to the square. Good job. Point to the turtle. Good. Point to the boy that is jumping. Good job. Point to the toe. Good. Point to the drum. Good job. Point to the boy that is swimming. Good job. We began on item 26 and client got that answer wrong. So we went back to the section for age 4 to 411 and started at number 25. She got this one wrong, this one right, this one wrong, and then 3 correct, so her basal is at item 20. Now we are starting back at item 27 since her basal was met at item 20. Point to the belt. Good job. Point to the gate. Good. Point to the painting. Good job. Point to the penguin. Good job. Point to the fly. Good job. Point to the boy that is kicking. Good. Point to the whistle. Good job. Point to the boy that is throwing. Good. Point to the lamp. Good. Point to the happy face. Good job. Point to the cup that is empty. Good. Point to the fence. Good. Point to the whale. Good. Point to the person that is dancing. Good job. Point to the farm. Good. Point to the gift. Good job. This time, point to the panda. Good. Point to the castle. Good job. Point to the horn. Good. Point to the squirrel. Good. Point to the feather. Good job. Point to the net. Good. Point to the shoulder. Good job. Point to the person that's juggling. Good. Point to the person that is pouring. Good job. Point to the cobweb. Good. Client successfully completed the category for her age, so we're beginning to move on to the category of 6 to 6'11". Point to the elbow. Good. Point to the fountain. Good job. Point to the roof. Good. Point to the person that is peeking. Good. Point to the cup that is full. Good. Point to the buckle. Good job. Point to the envelope. Good. Point to the diamond. Good job. Client got number 55 wrong. When we kept moving on, she got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wrong in a row, so her ceiling is at item 60. Client's ceiling item was at a 60. After counting how many errors she made 19 errors. Subtracting 19 from 60, her raw score was a 41. Table A1 says that a raw score of 41 has a standard score of 64. The percentile was a 95% confidence rate of a 60 to 70. She fell in the 1 percentile, meaning that she scored as good or better than 1% of same age peers. The normal curve equivalent was less than 1, and the stay mean was 1. After entering all of this into the table and looking at the graphical profile, client fell below expected for the stay mean, the normal curve equivalence, and the percentile rank. Her standard score is marked here on the graph, showing that she was around 2 standard deviations below the average for her age.